How you all doing? I'm back with another video. I've got a surprise for you in this video. It's how to service your pressure washer. So you can see the beast that I've got. It's a Vanguard 14 horsepower Briggs and Stratton engine. I bought this machine from Rutland Pumps 2 years ago, and trust me, it is the best investment I have ever made in my life. The amount of money I've made with this machine, you wouldn't believe. And one of the most expensive things in this game is maintenance. Maintenance will kill you. If you don't know how to service your machine, then these big firms will be pulling your pants down, put it that way. So I had to learn the hard way through trial and error, through asking all the lads online, and paying out an absolute fortune to stay on top of my gear, really. So in this video, first of all I'm gonna warm up the machine so the oil can empty out easier from here. So let's turn these out. Hope you all can see. I didn't really have a plan for this video. I'm just kind of winging it. And look, you can see the difference. Look at that. So that's the new air filter, and this is the old one. Definitely needed changing. Look, I haven't changed that in 2 years, so I'll change that now. So old one goes over there, the new one just fits into place. There we go, and that's changed. So that's the first bit done. Let's put these back in place, tighten them up. Don't over tighten, just tighten enough. There we go, so that's tight now. While I've got everyone as well, I was just thinking, if you all can give me your honest opinion of the audio quality, because I haven't got a microphone and I'm planning to get one next year and invest in one, because audio is vital for your videos. So, and I haven't been too impressed with the audio quality of my videos, watching them back. Also the video quality, I'm aiming to get probably the new GoPro or the new DJI Osmo, as I've got the DJI Osmo 2, I think it is. I need to probably purchase the 3. So if you can let me know about the video and audio, mainly audio at the moment, thank you very much. All feedback is vital for me, in order for me to grow the channel, really. Thank you. Well, I'm going to attempt to pull the beast off. There's just not enough space on the van. Whoa, bang the side of my van here. What? Got it off. I think I'll be calling my mate in a bit to try and see if he's around to give me a hand, but I couldn't work on the van. It's too tight with everything that I've got on there. So let's go. Spark plug, pull that out. It's a new one. Never used this before, first time for everything. Wouldn't be a good video if everything went to plan, would it? Let's try again. This is what I said, I need to improve when it comes to the mechanical side. It's all good working, but when it comes to this side, I need to know what I'm doing. So now, let's try and edge this out now. I have no idea what's going on at the moment, but there we go. First time for everything. So, did this need changing? Let's have a look. Yeah, to me, doesn't look too bad, does it? But you see, that's the old one. Look at that. Look at the difference with the old one. So I'm just gonna pop this back in now, and then that's the spark plug change. Put that over there. Now, when we all go on camera, we want to make out like we can do everything, don't we? So you want to look like a pro. Well, that's back on now. So that's how you, well, supposedly, I bet you all laughed at that. So that's how you change your spark plug on your pressure washer. Now what I'm going to do is start the machine up, because the oil would need to be warm in order for you to completely empty the old oil and drain it properly. Okay, so it's pretty easy to start these machines. You just bring this over and the choke should be in place already. Let that run for about 2 minutes. Make sure you prop your spark plug out before draining the oil, and just come over here. Dipstick needs to be pulled out. Yep. You see here now, that's loosened up. I should be able to just prod that off. You'll see now. Hope you all can see. Since I'm on grass outside my house, it should be okay. Most of the oil's in the tub. There we go, finally. Well, you can see it's getting very dark. While it's still quite warm, I'm just going to tip it out instead. This or the gearbox, because I can't leave it. Not the best way to do it, really. See, it's very dark now. It's coming out of there. It'll all tip out now. Since I've got the machine off the van, I might as well empty it all out and do the refill tomorrow. Happy New Year, everyone. So you can see I'm just taking the reel off. So if you're wondering how to take your reel off, if it's like mine and mounted on, it's just these bolts at the bottom. So I'm going to take them off now and get to the, I'm actually going to do the interpump oil. I've changed my mind since I'm doing the rest. I'm going to do it as well. Right, so I'll be back shortly. So now I'll tip this out. I can never undo this bolt, I don't know why. Right, remember I'm using 15W40 multi-grade motor oil. You can pick this up from Halfords. I got it yesterday for £32, I think it was. And fill slowly. you can see, just need a bit more. So you just want it right to the top. That's it. Done. That's the interpump oil. Now for the gearbox oil, which I have Morris EP80W90 oil. Let's quickly get this done. And then it's just the engine oil, and then that's how you carry out a full service. Pop this there. I like the lid on this, pretty cool. Just gonna do this very slowly. Not quite. Just remember, it has to be in line with that dot. Don't overfill. Don't go past that dot. Should be it now. Let's have a look. Yep, that's about right to me. Right. Engine oil, trickiest part. Morris 10W50, fully synthetic. It's the oil I use. You can go either side really. You can go just here or the opposite side. I tend to go the same side where you can fill on. You can fill here as well, but I don't tend to fill there. I find you don't get as much accuracy if you fill as if you fill there. So right, remember, slowly. Get a wipe. No, nowhere near. Still bare. You always want oil to come out from this side. These machines have an oil cut-off fuse, I think it is, installed. Before, when I was on a job and I didn't have enough oil in the machine, in the engine, the machine cut off. So having the correct oil levels, it's vital. Give it a wipe. Down there, if you can see, there's indications of where you want to be. So you want to be at this point there. You don't want to be any higher than that. All done. Service complete. Let me show you all now. So you go from this side. It's on a bit of a tilt, so there we go, look, that's how it's supposed to look. Just come out like that. That's how you know it's complete. One, two, three, let's go. You all can see, there we go, it's complete. Point B there. That's it then. You all can see me. Yeah, like I said, it's not ideal just outside my house. I do need to get a drive. I'm working on it. I've only just got my house 4 years ago, no, maybe 5 years this year, and you know how expensive it is to buy a house, also the bills going up, etc. So my goal is to get a drive this year, make my life a lot easier. So excuse my mess outside my property. My house is a lot better on the inside. And Happy New Year to you all. I hope you have a very prosperous, healthy new year and achieve all your goals, whether it be in business, personal goals, financial, whatever it is. And if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. Thank you for watching.